Hi, I'm Michael Boss. I work on Cat Footwear's brand marketing. I've been with the brand for a couple years now, and in the work boot industry for coming up on 8 or 9 years. So very familiar with the space.
Great. So today we're going to go over the Cat second shift work boot.
So I have it right here. The Cat second shift has been around for like 20 years. It's a staple in our line. It's one of our best selling boots. And it's about like as classic as it comes. So I'll start from the top. It's got a pull tab for easy on, and then a padded collar for comfort around the ankle here. Working our way down, we've got a couple of metal speed hooks for like quick adjustable lacing, and then these hex eyelets that I think are just worth calling out because it's a slight nod of ours to which actually uses the hexagonal shape throughout their heavy duty machinery. So then the upper itself is either full grain leather or nubuck, depending on like the color or type you get. And there's reinforced stitching throughout the boot to prevent, blowouts or any sort of tear. On the bottom, we have a really luggy outsole inspired by Cat Inc.'s track type tractors for this like unbeatable, unmistakable traction. And then finally, the boot's made using Goodyear welt construction, which means the upper is actually sewn onto the outsole for added durability. It comes in a steel toe, soft toe option. And then last year we brought out the waterproof version.
Okay, great. And could you, kind of go over what are some of the best features of this boot for construction professionals?
The fact that it's a Goodyear welt construction boot definitely sets it apart. This is a more traditional way of making boots and shoes, and really it's like a rarity today that often comes with a hefty price tag. So the fact that you're getting this Goodyear welt construction for that classic look and proven durability and strength, all at an accessible price point in the category, makes it the total package.
What types of construction jobs is the work boot suitable for?
Yeah, so I don't know if I would necessarily peg it for a specific job per se. It's built to withstand whatever you kind of want to throw at it. Given that it comes in like soft and safety toe options as well as waterproof and non-waterproof, it's suitable for almost anything.
So what should customers expect when using this work boot on the job site?
Yeah, so they should expect a boot that's honestly as tough as a cat machine. The second shift may look like a classic boot, but these things are ready to be put through the paces. They're as sturdy as they can be with that Goodyear welt construction, like I mentioned. And when you add a track inspired outsole for that unmistakable traction, it results in a confident footing that will help you excel, across the job site.